Good morning. Let's go do some farm chores. This is the first morning in several mornings that it's over 30 degrees, so that's very nice. Good morning, ducks. Are y'all ready for breakfast? We're having a serious rat problem. They keep eating eggs. We've had these traps set for a while, and we've caught a few rats, but we're gonna switch things up a little bit. There's our 4 eggs. I have a ratinator trap coming today, so I'm really excited to see if I can catch a whole bunch with that. Good morning, boys. Looks like you guys still have hay. All the hoses are frozen, so breaking up the ice in the waters is the best I can do for right now until it warms up later today, and then we can do fresh water. Good morning, piggles. Alrighty, I filled up their food, put fresh straw in their nesting box. Good morning, girl. God. Hop up. Hey, you're all right. Did you drop your thing?